Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here out here at the Avon Park Field. Now, why did my camera just beep? Oh, well. Gonna take up the Habu SS here. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. Make sure I got the rates I want.
Braking.
There we go.
No data. Motor off, motor on.
All right. I'm running a
AS3X.
that was the problem. Had that dang old safe on. Wonder why I couldn't do anything. That just shows you how slow and stable the Habu can be. I'm a little less than half throttle right now, so flying kind of boring. So let's kick it up. There. That was full speed. Nice thing
2 minutes.
you can do with touch and go there.
Safe mode. AS3X mode.
Just doing a few, just landings and takeoffs, landings and takeoffs.
Braking. Safe mode. AS3X mode. G-force. No data.
All right, still got a minute and 20. One of them gunshots scare the daylights out of you. And like I said, I'm running a 6S 3200 Smart Pack enter. There, speed run.
1 minute.
And she will glide and glide and glide. Let's get her turned around here. Very, very stable. And Tokyo slide.
30 seconds. 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Braking. 10. Safe mode. AS3X.
Huh?
G4. No data.
Yeah, it's not very strong though. Just enough to slow it down.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Well, there you go, folks. And I use a reverse thrust there at the very end. Like I said, I don't have it set for very strong, but just enough to slow her down a little bit. Folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And what do you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor on.
Motor off. See y'all later.